Come on now. Come on, people. Come on, man. You gotta respect me on this one. All right, everybody. I'm back. Just want to let you see what I did. I mixed up my AP, my garlic, my granulated garlic, and some fine black pepper. Came back and rubbed the steaks down with some olive oil and went all over them, all the way around. I said medium heavy because, again, they got to penetrate through. It's aged beef. Did both sides. Let them rest. They rest for, I said, came out of the fridge for 30 minutes. They rest, and then I let them sit here for another 10. We're going straight to the smoke. And when they go on, I'll let you guys check it out. So give me a few more minutes. Your boy be right back. These babies going on. Oh yeah, also, I'm going to pair this up with, what I'm going with today. Let me think hard. Maybe something different. Oh, so it's going my healthy kick. I know what I do. I'm doing a loaded cauliflower mashed potato. Pair that up with this. And some herb butter. So yeah, man, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So going on with this, take it to the Shirley, take the big Stacy. That's gonna be it. See you guys later. I'm only cooking today. Doing something a little bit different. I'm only cooking with half of my Shirley Fab. People that have Shirley Fab, you guys don't know. This is pretty much 2 cookers in one. You got a vertical and you got a horizontal cooker. Today I'm only using the horizontal. My horizontal cooker today. I do not have the plug that goes in the bottom where your reverse flow goes in it. So that's something I'm thinking about getting, but I'm gonna try this cook and see how it goes. Also, for people that also have Shirley Fab, I do not have that extra plate that lifts up to give you more room. So when you open up to get the heat to come from your firebox up, I don't have that extra plate. But I'm gonna try this today and see how the cook goes. I was just at 225, so I know my temp's good. Coming out, steaks going in. I'm cooking them my way. I'm gonna leave them on the rack, straight in. I am going for come on now. Boom. I'm gonna roll these in and let them go for 225. I'm going for 2 hours. Then I'm gonna take them off and reverse sear a little bit different way, old country way, because I'm a country boy from Alabama if y'all didn't know. And I'll show you guys that little trick. After that, you know, we're gonna be eating good. So alright, see you guys in about 2 hours. Check on these. I'm not spritzing, I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna let the smoke do a job. Alright, some people might agree, disagree, or agree. We're gonna see what happens at the end. Alright, this your boy Smoker Wit Smitty. Out on Barbecue Universe. This your boy, back again. See, like the sun went in and getting cloudy on me, so we're gonna hurry and do what I gotta do. Let's take a look at these steaks. See how they came out in the smoke. Oh, come on now. Alright now. 2 hours, 225. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Pull these out. Now it's time to fun side. Yeah. You see that aged stuff? You see that aged beef? Smoke kissed it just right. Oh yeah. Now we're finna go back. Have some fun. So like I told you before, I'm country. And somebody else would have probably lit another grill and, you know, all that fun stuff. No, not me. I'm hard-headed. So, got a good fire down here. I'm finna use it what it's for. That's how lucky I can get today. That's not gonna give me what I need. Untested. Let's go. See? Boy, if I burn myself right now, everybody on the internet gonna be laughing at me. But if I make this work, it's gonna be what it do. What you got, girl? One down. You hear that sizzle? Hear that sizzle? Here we go. Thank you, God, Shirley Fab, for having those lock-in shells on everything, especially these grates. Because I'm playing probably right now way over 600. Give it a few seconds. And this is my first time doing this, y'all, so make sure you get a good look. Yeah, she out. She out, hanging on the end. Oh, get back in there now. Yeah, I hear it coming. Quarter turn. Woo. You hear that sear? Man, that thing sounds good. Yeah. It ain't caveman, because caveman will be right down in the ashes. But right now, we're just doing it right here on top. Let me get a few seconds on each side. Yeah, listen to it. You hear that sizzle. You hear that pop. Let's see what we did. Oh boy, don't be messed up. Come on now. Come on, people. Come on, man. You gotta respect me on this one. I don't get. You gotta respect me on this one. You got to. Come on now. Alright, man, this is your boy Wit Smitty. Out here, semi-caveman out here. Y'all call it pilgrim cooking, you know. Oh yeah. Straight up. Y'all know that the bone over on that ribeye. Yeah, these are cowboy ribeyes. I got these cut at commissary. You know what I'm saying? Got some love on them. I need them for this so I can edge these up. So I can do this cook. So I want to do my age technique first. So everything looking good, man. I'll let y'all know when I cut into them. A little hot up on this thing right now. So I'm sweating over here working for this one for y'all, man. Woo. I'm sitting about 700 degrees over here or more. Alright now. We got here to keep an eye on this. Can't be playing around too much or messing with meat. See y'all in a few. Peace.